Alright, today I'm going to be switching off these tail lights for the clears, and I got a set of LEDs and an LED flasher relay so I don't get hyper flash. To take off these tail lights, 2 bolts, and you just pry it out. So unfortunately the flash relay is right here. It's the under dash. You don't need to take that off. You just gotta take out the bottom portion. It's really easy. So as you can see, I'm getting hyper flash. But once I install the flasher relay, it'll go away. Alright, I got the LED electronic flasher in. Old one out. Now it's blinking normal. No more hyper flash. And that's pretty much it. Easy installation. Not hard at all.